Hello, chicos! ¿Cómo están?
Oh my god. Good
You
morning.
guys meet the favorite couple of Canada?
Maria.
From share location.
Like,
You never know this.
okay. It doesn't bother me. We're gonna have stalkers anyways. Actually, we already have stalkers. We're gonna have more.
Yeah.
Bon appetit. Not ready for the tornade.
She's worried about how you call tornado in English? Tornado? She's worried about tornado today.
Here. I got it.
But I said to her, don't be worried, you know?
He's Superman. He's gonna save everybody but me.
You should say it. I'm gonna say the word.
He's gonna save everybody but me.
So, the video for yesterday, I don't publish it yet because it's why I go late because I was fixing it and
What time did you go to bed? 9 o'clock?
I yeah, I'm around 9. Yeah.
Are you sure you were just fixing the video or you missed me?
Wow. I
Okay.
want to say hey to everybody that I miss.
Me.
Bye bye.
Yeah, you could tell by your face you're
Yeah,
lying.
guys, yesterday she don't sleep on my place, but I feel she miss me. Yes. When I arrived,
You took the Uber there? Because it was raining.
no,
The bus?
this time I go to the gym. When I come back, I'm running always with the time. Oh my God, I have to do yeah. And
Even if you program it with the bus, you won't make it on time for work?
if you guys are in the area of Montreal now, the Uber now are not very. They are not very expensive now. At this time. Oh, somebody's coming. Her friend, her company, you know, I don't know the score. Sure, Sarah, I gonna check that out.
Aww.
Thank you to be there.
Hi, Sarah.
Twitch is a great platform. I should put my link of YouTube in YouTube here to the.
You should put it on Instagram so they follow you directly. So sweet, this one. Now I know why I take the no sugar. It's a lot of sugar in a thing. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, it's bad.
It's okay. I know, but to show it to them. This guys, a lot of sugar.
For somebody that doesn't drink a lot of sugar anymore, me,
But
it's a lot of sugar. I will fall asleep.
my mom usually buy
Yeah, no sugar. They don't have it, babe.
You know that?
No, they don't have it anymore.
You don't like La Dorette 7?
Yeah, but I didn't see it. I have one already at work, a big one. I went to Maxi before I went home yesterday, and I bought a lot of stuff. Your tattoo looks nice. It's well done. Very nice. I like it.
I like now.
Oh, she followed. Look, username. She followed.
Yeah, he's in the link for his Discord.
Ooh.
The link of his But I have to say, I don't use that much Discord.
Jesus Lord. So we're gonna go Superman or no?
Yeah, we just we're right by Bruce.
Don't touch me.
But one of my too shy. You say to everybody, guys. We are cool, guys.
Oh my
We are cool.
god.
We were walking everywhere.
Yeah, exercise. It's the best. That's how you do your cardio. That you need for the day. So, like I told you, I have to go get a bed in the morning early. I have to go get a bed early in the morning.
It's bed.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to go with you?
You have gym.
Yeah, a lot of mosca today. The humidity bring
Yeah,
them.
but look.
The raining bring them.
It's
and,
humidity. They're attracted to humidity.
The weather now here is like a Cuba.
It's too hot. What is that noise? Is that the
Yeah.
fire alarm?
I'm a Cuban guy. What do you think about?
Canadian girl, born and raised.
In this beautiful country.
I'm fucked. I know. Later, I'm gonna bring it to work. I'm gonna bring it to work.
You have a sandwich at home in the frigo, but you don't eat it. It's there, and it's not the first time. You just put there that you don't eat.
I forget about it.
I want to eat it for you.
I forget about it. No, eat it. No. It's not good for you.
She let frigo in my place. She let food in the frigo in my place all the time.
Yeah, because I want you to eat.
Food supposedly that you have to eat, but you don't eat it.
I want you to eat.
She's so shy.
No, I'm very nice to leave food in your fridge.
It's for me, but she don't want to say.
One of the security people came to Bronx. They said they might, with the storm, the electricity came. Could come off.
It's my friend.
Yeah, mine too.
But I don't know his name. You know my name? But I don't know. I will not. No, he don't know.
It's very nice. Yeah, but on his tag that you can know his name too.
Guys.
It's very nice. I miss coffee.
There's a mom over there.
Revealing.
That gave me temptation.
You always have temptation when it comes to me. I want to know how he did the cross. He did a good job. What kind of needle he did for the cross? It's nice.
Yeah? guy, you know, fruta medicine.
Yeah.
That's why I don't do it. When I go with you, I just don't feel the mood to do it. But that guy, the way that he speaks Spanish, we are talking about the guy who did me the tattoo. So like my mother language is Spanish. Just we start to talk, and I tell you, it's the tattoo. It's the more relaxed I do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So like just talk.
I'm gonna do another one here.
Done.
No. The dates of my mom and dad.
Done.
Hello. Hola.
Don't fool yourself of tattoo. You're gonna look like a bitch. I'm happy. I need to write.
What did you say? Your name is already on me, so no time for that. And it's kind of big. It came off a bit though, mine. Here. Let draw. Is it warm outside or no?
Humid and loud.
Oh no. That's when you could tell.
The range is a bit more humid. It's almost the same weather now here than in Cuba. But in Cuba, I guess it's more hot and more humid for sure. But,
He's at daycare. I hope he's gonna be okay. No.
huh?
No one's at daycare.
Addicted?
At daycare. My son.
Oh, for the first time?
Well, for the week, yeah. He's only going today.
How did you do it?
They didn't send me a message yet. Usually they send me a message.
So you gonna pick up him or your father?
My dad. Well, I can't. They close at around 4.
No estoy machete, dude, abuelo.
They close at 4. So he has to go get him. Both of the kids leave at 4. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Okay, we have to look at the movie time so we could time everything, huh? 2 on Saturday. Depends where you want to go.
I think downtown in Escocia, but probably gonna be crowded. But
Yeah. Yeah.
I was thinking it's in a place that
Mi amor.
massage group. Oh my god, massage group. You have right to participate.
Yeah. The sometimes they send picture.
I don't know if you need that actually.
Means what?
I mean, Frank.
No, I know. He's going to school soon. In 2 months.
You think you take Sarah to take us that the same is amazing. We're doing the best we can.
In the time that we can.
And the time that we have. Our goal is like do a vlog. So,
It's mostly eating though. We have to do something else. Like, let's say you do one for UFC, your reaction to UFC, the movie reaction.
you know what we can do? TikTok. We have viral on TikTok. You can
Yeah.
do a work. I will do.
Take your time. You're eating too fast, you. Stop eating fast. You're gonna get heartburn after. No, yeah. It's not always beast of amor.
Yeah. I don't meditate.
Maybe you should when you go back home or relax you.
Oh, you know what I do yesterday?
No?
I come home.
Oh,
I do push-up.
yeah.
I want to create that habit. Second round.
It depends if you have time, babe, because you only have 2 hours. After, no? That's me.
5 series. And I tell you, my chest now, it look like never. So,
Rambo. This guy looks dark a bit. It's gonna come around 3-4. The storm is coming.
So for the miniature of the video of yesterday, you know what I wanna do?
No.
I will take a real picture of Ariel.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna change the face of Ariel for your face.
Why my face? Because it's stunning. You have to check that too. This. They probably already booked. My friend at work already booked it again. For Saturday.
I'm gonna be crowded.
See, all this is for Laval. That's fine. The VIP. Oh, you wanna go here? The VIP one? That's the one with the sofas that go all the way down.
I have to be there because I have very calm or is very important.
But did you ever go to this one? They bring your food to you. There's one Latin.
In Spanish? Really?
Yeah.
For occasion for my girlfriend learn Spanish,
Oh, you said girlfriend.
watching the movie.
Yeah. That's the best for you. Okay, this is the one then. See, they have so many. It's what I'm saying.
That's how.
It's just to see.
Don't reserve yet.
No, I know. See, it's only this taken.
There are other people buying?
Yeah, I'm telling you. Okay, let's see IMAX.
Believe don't stop. What is my bigger today?
Is that my perfume? The one I got you? Or no? Really? It's better than the one yesterday.
Because I did my shower too
In the morning.
before coming.
What time did you finish the gym?
She's our kings. But I tell you, the Uber was
Very quick?
she was there around. Boom.
Very
And to
good.
come here this morning too, it was close to.
Oh, you didn't walk?
No, ya no around time.
Okay.
If I and maybe I have time if I'm running or something. I don't want to arrive at job like, you know. No. That's why it's better do the stuff.
I didn't even wear it today.
What?
Look at my hand. You don't look at my hand?
Okay, I will tell you what I understand. I understand she say I don't wear on the work today. So I don't understand.
Why would you say that?
It's what I understand.
I didn't wear my ring today. My ring.
Oh yeah, no.
It's on my back.
She don't wear his ring today.
It's in my purse though.
I swear the first time I listen what I understand is I don't want her.
That
It's like
you don't need to know.
It's like
They don't need to know. It's kind of personal, guys. It's choices.
No, but I have to tell you, it's nice dress.
Thank you. I got it in Italy.
I want to kiss it.
Just okay. There you go.
It's my beautiful. It's my mommy. She liked the green color. I don't know why.
Because it suits me. With my skin tone, it suits me.
Natural.
See.
So now, the panier is gonna be tomorrow. Akute. If they finish the tunnel, the people can take it out the side.
Oh, nice. it's not gonna be where you're gonna put your jacket and stuff. You have to go all the way to the locker.
Which jacket?
Your jacket at
Yeah, in the lower.
winter.
Yeah, but I don't know. I have both question. No, I bring it with me. For winter, I bring it with me my mantle. It's the same. It's a good mantle.
I was thinking about something with your mom too.
What?
Can't say on here.
I don't understand Channel. Your English today is not. What?
I'll put lingerie with your mom too on.
Oh! Wow. Creative. She's becoming creative lately.
Oh, nothing. With your jacket.
Mantle?
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
Mm-hmm.
I don't watch it,
Well, that's not good.
but it's okay. That's what it means.
That's not good. He needs a wife at home, guys. Take care of him. He's opened.
So yeah. I train so hard.
I can't see on my legs today.
So guys, I don't know when, but soon we're gonna be a podcast in Spanish. It's coming fully in Spanish. I don't know when yet. And mommy she gonna participate.
No.
Yes, Spanish. I know she has it.
I'll only talk in Spanish with your dad, not with you. When the time comes. Imagine that.
So what say to my fellow today?
Your pillow misses me?
She missed my friend.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Because I'm the only one that hugs your pillow. We have to go soon.
Cometa Halley today. Cometa Halley
Is it?
it's meaning that I'm gonna pass near of his job. But
That's not Friday.
I have to check how she's doing when she works. The only problem is when I pass close of his job
Don't listen to him.
and she see me,
Don't listen to him.
she lose concentration.
No.
Yeah.
That's a lie right there.
She need to focus. She's professional and she saw me and it's like, oh,
No. Like, keep being professional. I'm not like you that smiles from ear to ear every time you see me at your job. With your sunglasses on. You think I don't see your smile? Mommy sees everything. Gotta go soon. 4 minutes. House on Fire in Longueuil. Oh.
With this genre. So they are.
Oh. Yeah, they're cute. They're on a date. It's okay.
What they are eating? It's so.
Yeah, but at that age, you don't know better.
Hey, no, a lot of information now. It's just.
And probably the parents are not educating them well. That's it. You were there too. So, when they become our age, they'll know better.
Somebody will invite us. Well, I want to start to stream in League of Legends. I want to start doing that, and I want to stream into Roblox. Interest me to stream, which I want to try.
I don't do games. So you should, yeah. You can't do like a reply or something.
Probably she's saying that's not
Yeah. What time is it now? Okay, I have 2 minutes. I gotta go. Bye, guys. Have a good night. Have a good morning from wherever you are listening. And see you tomorrow.
Before now?
It's 58.
Yeah, I just read in there the two games, League of Legends and Roblox. Okay, guys, it's everything for today. I'm Cuban. I'm from Cuba, but I live in Canada. Oh, nice, nice. So, guys, we have to go. We're gonna stream in probably tomorrow too.
And probably Saturday.
Yeah, we want to do this more often for sure. Bye, guys. Until the next adventure.